Morning folks, welcome back. Got a new product to try out here this weekend. It's the AMZCHEF portable range hood, okay? It's a device that you would take if you're out RVing or out in a camper somewhere. And basically, if you're cooking inside the camper, it's a range hood. So it'll take the steam and the smell away from the food you're cooking, put it next to your cooking pan. And it is like an exhaust fan, and it takes the smell away and keeps your environment nice and clean within your RV or in your camper. Now that's where I see the application is going to be. I'm going to test it out here at the cabin the weekend, and I'll give you a heads up if it's good or bad. Some of the features that come with the device or is on the device, it got a built-in LED light. It has 4 fan speeds. It says it's low noise levels. We'll see how that goes. When we do some testing. It's got multiple filters, and I think there's spare filters. If I understand, spare filters come with it. So it's a carbon-based filter that'll remove smell, and it also has a drip tray in it to collect moisture as it exhausts the steam from your cooking device, cooking pan or whatever. So yeah, it's the AMZCHEF portable range hood. Gonna give it a try. It's a AC powered unit, so it comes with a power adapter. You have to plug it in to use it. And I'm going to test it later on today with some cooking here at the cabin. But like I said, if you went out in an RV, small confined spaces, in a small camper, small cabin, and you don't have any way to, you want to cut down on the smell of the food you're cooking, the AMZCHEF portable range hood. Anyway guys, I'll get this out of the box here now and see what's involved, and we'll get some testing later on. So this is the unit guys, I got it out of the box. It's pretty lightweight. Bigger than I expected. Like I said, it has an AC power adapter, so you need to plug it in. So I'm going to plug it in here now while I'm waiting. And it powers on. Here, beep, powers on. Comes with multiple carbon filters. So you get spare filters, and I assume these are going to be washable. I haven't read the user's manual yet, but we'll see. So the unit also has a built-in height adjustment. So you can up or down. There's a little button here on the back. You press it up or down, so you can adjust the height of it. The head on it actually tilts. I think it's 45 degrees. I'm not sure. I read that somewhere. But here you can adjust the height to reach over your pan. Built-in carbon filter, like so. So removable and easily washable. Put that back in there. And on the bottom here, there's a drip tray. And you push the drip tray out, and it'll collect moisture from your fan. So it collects steam and so on. So a little bit, get that in there. Okay. So, like I said, fan has a unit has a built-in light on off, and 4 speed settings. Okay, now let's see. It claims to be very quiet. Let's see how quiet it is. So let's try speed number 1. Definitely got some air movement here. Not too bad. Like I said, you can adjust it over your pan. Number 2. Number 3. And number 4. Now, it's definitely got some air movement. The noise level is a little bit higher than I expected. No question about it. But it's definitely moving air. I can't see it. No problem taking steam from whatever I'm cooking here. So I'll check that. But I'll check that out when I actually do some testing with it. Like I said, it's the AMZCHEF portable range unit, meant to be taken like if you're going on an RV or in a camper or a small cabin area. Adjustable height, like so, and like it's about 5 inches of height difference here. Push the button again, pull it down. Adjustable head, AC powered unit. So you do need to have power in order to use the unit. Anyway, I'm going to go cook something later on this afternoon. I'm going to use this unit, give it a good test, see how it works out, see if it keeps the smell down, see if it keeps the steam out of the cooking area. All right, guys, tune in later and we'll get testing this thing. Okay, folks, I got the AMZCHEF fan set up here next to my frying pan. Today I'm going to fry some fish. A specific fish actually is capelin I'm going to fry. Capelin does smell, but we shall see how the AMZCHEF portable range hood takes care of that smell. So I'm waiting for my oil to heat up here now. Let's give it a second. And we'll start cooking some fish. And I'll turn the fan on. I'll do a couple tests with different fan settings. You can see the light works. You might as well turn the light on while I'm at it. Sure. See my frying pan here. I hope you can see my frying pan here. Anyway, so my oil is heating up, and this is like just a great scenario now. Like if you're in an RV or camping trailer and you don't have a range hood, then you can use the portable range hood from AMZCHEF. So, got my fish here. Let's just give them a. Oil's not quite hot enough yet. And Capelin does smell, guys. This is one of the smelliest fishes around. Oops, burned myself. Now, I haven't turned the fan on yet, guys. I want to make sure I get some smell going here first. And there's the last Capelin. So yeah, we'll get that going there. We'll wash up here while I'm at it. I'll put a little bit of spice on it, guys. Alright, so starting to produce some steam here now. Let's just get the fan going. Start on setting number 1. And hear it cut in. And you can see right away some of the steam is being drawn into the fan, no problem. Good stuff. Yeah, definitely see the steam going into the fan there. And that's only on the first setting. Now, I can smell fish here, no problem. I don't smell any fish smell coming out the head end. It's definitely taking steam away. As for smell, it may be a bit subjective because I can smell fish in the room. But, no, it's definitely going there. So let's try setting 2. Yeah, definitely taking all the vapor away from the pan there for sure. Folks, I got the fan still on setting number 2. I'm going to turn over my fish here. You can see it's still drawing out the moisture, no problem. All the steam coming off this fish. And like I said, it's only on setting number 2 right now. Give these a turn here first, and then I'm going to up the fan. Oh, I burn myself every time. Okay. I'm going to up the fan to setting 3. Sorry, setting 4. So now we're at maximum setting, maximum fan speed, sorry. Got the LED light on. We're drawing in this smoke and steam, no problem. You can see that, and you got a rapid air movement coming out here. I gotta say, there's no smell coming at the end there, that's for sure. There's definitely smell of fish here. So that's pretty good. I like that. It's very good. So anyway, I'm gonna continue to cook my fish here, folks. Keep the fan running, but like I said, if you're out in an RV situation, RV or a small camp, small cabin, and you want to cook inside and you don't want the smell or the steam associated with cooking, you can check out the AMZCHEF portable range hood. Okay, desktop range hood, portable range hood, two different names to put on it, but it's all the details for the device are in the description of the video. Thanks for watching, guys. Go check out AMZCHEF, and you won't be disappointed. I gotta say, it performs very well compared to. I like it. So yeah. Looks good. Thanks for watching, folks. Take care. Catch you on the next one.